Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Facebook story not showing. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting, tap on this. Next, scroll down little bit. You find here apps. Tap on this. You can search here Facebook. Go down. Tap on storage. You can see here clear cache and clear data. Tap on clear data. Back. Now go to your Facebook permission. Tap on all permission. Now go to your home screen. Go to your Play Store. Search here Facebook. You can see here your Facebook is already latest version and update. Now go back to your home screen. Now tap your phone power icon. Now restart your phone and hopefully your problem solved successfully.